Act 1, Scene 1, page number 27. We had completed in the previous video till line number 115. Now we have to continue after that. Antonio says, "Is that anything now?" So now here Antonio said to Bassanio, because Bresciano and Lorenzo both have left the place and Antonio and Bassanio are together. So Antonio said after Lorenzo and Bresciano that, "Is that anything now?" That is, does it make any sense? Now, in which regard he is saying, why he said this? He said that Bresciano spoke so much here, so does it make any sense whatever he said to us here? Then Bassanio says, Bresciano speaks an infinite deal of nothing, more than any man in all Venice. His reasons are as 2 grains of wheat hid in 2 bushels of chaff. You shall seek all day ere you find them, and when you have them, they are not worth the search. Now what Bassanio says, that Bresciano speaks an infinite deal of nothing. So Bassanio said that Bresciano speaks so much and a great deal of nonsense, he says. Okay, that he whenever he says anything, so there is very few things only, very little things only that comes out fruitful, otherwise everything is nonsense. More than any man in all Venice, and he speaks than any other man in all Venice. That such kind of man like Bresciano we cannot find in whole Venice, that whatever he speaks a great deal of nonsense. Then his reasons are as 2 grains of wheat hid in 2 bushels of chaff. Now, what he says, that he speaks so much and we will listen to him, but out of that, very few things or hardly anything will be there, hardly any talk will be there that will be very useful. And now here he has compared this, that his reasons are as 2 grains of wheat hid in 2 bushels of chaff. Now you can see line number 118 to 120, other side it is given that his speech is like 2 grains of good sense hidden in 2 bushels of nonsense. Okay, like chaff is there. Now chaff means the husk which is left after the harvesting of the grains. Okay, husk, or we in Hindi we call bhusi. Okay, so he says that in the chaff we may find only 2 grains after all. So same way it is of no use. Same way he speaks so much, Bresciano speaks so much, and we may find 1 or 2 points which we may feel that it is very useful, but after that also, after seeking all day you find them, that is, you have wasted so much of time in listening to his speeches, and finally at the end you will come to know, you will understand that that is also of no use. And when you have them, they are not worth the search. That is, once you have them, that once you have heard his all talks, and then finally you will realize that that is also of no use. Okay, now इधर बसानियो ने इसको किस चीज़ से कंपेयर किया है कि ग्रेशियानो बोलता इतना ज़्यादा है कि उसमें कुछ भी फ्रूटफुल चीज़ नहीं है. एंड देन ही सेज कि इसको किससे कंपेयर किया है, वो बोल रहा है कि जैसे कि अगर भूसी है, भूसी में अगर हमें 2 दाने गेहूं के मिल जाए, ओके, तब फिर पूरा दिन हम उसको मतलब कि वेस्ट कर दें उन 2 गेहूं के दानों को ढूंढने के लिए, and finally we will realize that these 2 grains of wheat which is there, it is of no use. Now this he has compared to what? This he has compared to Bresciano's speeches, that Bresciano speaks so much, and when we will hear to him wasting all our time, at the end we may find, okay, 1 or 2 things out of what he said is useful, but lastly we will realize that that was also of no use. Okay, now Antonio said, "Well, tell me now, what lady is the same to whom you swore a secret pilgrimage that you today promise to tell me of?" Now here Antonio says that, well, Bassanio, tell me now, that is, now you tell me, what lady is the same, that is, who is that lady to whom you swore a secret pilgrimage? Now he says that, you tell me, Bassanio, who is that lady about whom you were saying that you will pay a secret pilgrimage, that is, you had swore, that is, you had taken oath that you will go secretly. 124 number you can see other side, promised to visit secretly. Okay, that you had told me that you will pay a secret visit to one of the lady. So tell me, who is that? That you today promised to tell me of, and you had promised me that you will tell about her today to me. Then Bassanio replied, "'Tis not unknown to you, Antonio, how much I have disabled mine estate by something showing a more swelling port than my faint means would grant continuance. Nor do I now make moan to be abridged from such a noble rate, but my chief care is to come fairly off from the great debts wherein my time, something too prodigal, has left me gauged." Now, what Bassanio says to Antonio here, "'Tis not unknown to you, Antonio." Now he says that it is not unknown to you, that Antonio, you are not unaware with anything, that you know everything about me, Antonio, how much I have disabled mine estate. And then he says that how much I have disabled, that how much I have spoiled, how much I have squandered. 127 number, it is given other side, that how much I have squandered my estate. Estate means my means. Okay, by something showing a more swelling port than my faint means would grant continuance. And then he says, by something showing a more, that how I have disabled mine estate, how I have squandered my means, that by something showing a more swelling port, that by living in a rather grand style. 128 number you can see at the side, port is there, port means style, and altogether line means that you know that how I have spoiled my means, how I have squandered my means by living in a rather grand style. Okay, and than my faint means would grant continuous, that is, than my faint means, than my faint means here limited. Okay, than my limited means would grant me, grant continuous means that is permit me to keep up, that is, though I was not having that much of money with me, then also I kept on living in a grand style. Okay, that's why in this play Bassanio is spendthrift. Okay, spendthrift means that is a person, one who spends much more than his income. So here Bassanio says that you know, Antonio, about my condition, you are aware of everything, that how much I have squandered my means by living in a grand style, than my faint means would grant continuous, that is, than my limited means would permit me to do so. Nor do I know nor do I now make moan to be abridged from such a noble rate. And then he says, nor do I now make moan. Now he says that make moan is given there, point number 130, that means complain, that now I am not making complain. Okay, to be abridged, that is to be forced to give up. So nor do I now make moan. So he says that now also I am not making complaint to be forced to give up the way I used to live from such a noble rate, that is from lordly way of living, that is as I was living, so now also I want to live in the same way, and I'm not making complaint about that. But my chief care is, and then he says, but my chief care, that means main concern, that is my main concern is, Antonio, to come fairly off from the great debts wherein my time something too prodigal. So he says that my main concern, that is now I am what worried about, is that how to come out of all the great debts. Okay, मतलब कि जितना मैंने उधार दूसरों से ले लिया है, अब उस उधार को मैं कैसे चुकाऊं. दैट हाउ टू कम ऑफ ऑल द ग्रेट डेट्स वेयर इन माई टाइम. सो ही सेज दैट वेयर इन माई टाइम समथिंग टू प्रोडिगल हैज़ लेफ्ट मी गेज्ड. मतलब कि ये अपने आप को मैंने अपने टाइम में इतना ज़्यादा लोगों से कर्जा रह के ले करके इतना ग्रैंड स्टाइल में जो मैंने जिया है, अब मतलब कि अब मैं इसको कैसे चुकाऊं, मैं इसके लिए अब चिंतित हूँ. दैट आई एम वरीड अबाउट दिस. So 133 number you can see at the side that my youth which has been rather too extravagant. Extravagant means very luxurious or spendthrift, कि बिना सोचे समझे मैंने खूब खर्चा किया. सो हियर ही सेज दैट माई यूथ, दैट माई यंग एज विच हैज़ बीन रेदर टू एक्स्ट्रावेगेंट, सो दैट हैज़ मेड मी टू लिव इन ग्रेट डेट्स नाउ. सो हाउ टू क्लियर ऑफ ऑल द debts I am worried about. My main concern is this. Then he says, to you, Antonio, I owe the most. And now he says to Antonio that, dear friend Antonio, I owe the most from you in money and in love. That is, I was the one to take from you, to get from you monies also, and whenever I was in need of money, you gave me, you helped me, and also in terms of love. And from your love I have a warranty to unburden all my plots and purposes, how to get clear of all the debts I owe. Now what he says, and from your love I warranty, that is, and your affection for me gives me the right, that is the love which you have for me, so that gives me the right. Right means adhikar. So that gives me the right to unburden, that is to unfold or to tell you, to reveal you all my schemes and intentions. 137 number you can see at the side. What is the meaning of plots and purposes? Plots and purposes means my schemes and intentions. So he says that the love which you have for me, that only makes to reveal you everything, to tell you everything, to unfold you everything about my schemes and intentions. How to get clear of all the debts I owe, that how to clear all the debts that I have owed from others. Okay, now Antonio replied, I pray you, good Bassanio, let me know it, and if it stand as you yourself still do, within the eye of honour, be assured, my purse, my person, my extremest means lie all unlocked to your occasions. Now what Antonio said to Bassanio, he replied that I pray you, good Bassanio, that is, I request you, dear Bassanio, let me know it, that is, you tell me about your plans, you tell me about your scheme, about your intention, that how what you have thought, how to clear all your debts, and if it stand as you yourself still do. Now he says that, and if it stand, now here the word it here refers to Bassanio's scheme and plans. Okay, so he says here, and if it stand, that if your plans are there as you yourself still do, that is, if your plans will be as perfectly honorable like you only, within the eye of honor, that is, if your plans will be really perfect and honorable like you only, be assured, that is, you be assured that you rely on me, be assured that my purse, my person, my extremest means, that is, my purse means that all my wealth, all my money, so my person, that is all the people who are with me, and my extremest means lie all unlocked to your occasions, that is my utmost resources, my money and everything whatever I have, so they all are unlocked, that is, they all are open for your needs. Okay, then Bassanio says, in my school days, when I had lost one shaft, I shot his fellow of the self same flight, the self same way, with more advised watch, to find the other fourth, and by adventuring both, I oft found both. Now, what Bassanio says, that in my school days. Now, Bassanio here tells about his school experiences, one of the school experiences, and what he tells, that in my school days, that during my school days, when I had lost one shaft, that is, while playing on the way to school, while playing with my bow and arrow. Okay, shaft is there, shaft means arrow. So he said that sometimes when I used to play with the arrow on the way from school, so I shot his fellow to the self same flight. Okay, so he says that when I was used to throw the arrow and I was losing it, I was not finding it. So in order to find out the lost arrow, what I used to do, that I used to shot his fellow, that is, I used to throw or shot the same kind of arrow of the same self flight. Okay, that is, in the same way I used to shot another arrow. Okay, now 145 number, you can see other side what is given, that fellow, a similar arrow, arrows of the same flight were identical as regards with length, weight, etc., and therefore sure to go the same direction if shot under the same conditions, isn't it? That is, if you are losing one arrow, so in order to find that, you will take another arrow and you will throw with the same energy and in the same direction, so you are sure to find the lost arrow as well, isn't it? That's why it is given here as fellow. After this, the self same way with more advised watch. Advised watch is given, that is, with much more care, with utmost care you will observe, okay, where the flight of this another arrow will be there, okay, where it will go and drop. So you will be advised watch, that is, you will be much more careful to find the other fourth, and by adventuring both, that is, in order to find out first arrow, what we were doing, what I was doing, that I was taking this risk of losing both. I oft found both, that is, I often found both, that is, in this way I was often finding both the arrows by risking the another one as well. And then Bassanio says, I urge this childhood proof because what follows is pure innocence. Then Bassanio says that I urge this childhood proof. I urge means offer. 148 number, other side you can see, urge means offer here. So he says that I am offering this childhood proof, that I am telling you this childhood proof. Proof means here evidence, experiment. 148 number, you can see that I offer you, I am telling you this childhood experiment because what follows is pure innocence. So he says that because what follows, that whatever was done, so it was completely out of innocence. And then I owe you much, and like a willful youth, that which I owe is lost. And now what he says, Bassanio, I owe you much, that is, I have enough taken from you, and like a willful youth, 150 number, that means self-willed young man, that is, a young man who takes much whenever he wants, so he can take. So same way I also took, that whenever I wanted, whenever I was in need, I always took from you. That which I owe is lost, and whatever I owe from you, that is lost from me. Okay, I don't have anything left with me. But if you please to shoot another arrow, that self way which you did shoot the first. Now he says, but if you please to shoot another arrow. Now here what he wants to say, Bassanio, that first earlier you have given me much money, Now I want you to shoot another arrow. That is, I want you to give me money one more time. Okay, and this time that self way which you did shoot the first, that is in the same way as you had given money to me earlier, so same way I want you to give me for the second time money that I need. I do not doubt, as I will watch the aim. And now what he says, that I do not doubt, that I don't have doubt in this, that I will watch the aim. I will watch the aim means that I will take care with what I am doing. That is, now I will take care, that I will be very much careful with this money that you will give me for the second time. Okay, here it is given 154, that before I will, because I will take care with what I am doing. And then he says, or bring you your letter hazard back again. That or, that is, if I won't be able to take care of this second arrow, that is second loan that you will give me, then bring your or bring your letter hazard back again. Now he says that letter hazard means second loan, that if I do not get success in getting the first loan back, okay, then what I will do, at least I will repay your latter hazard. That is, latter hazard means the second loan which you are giving me, so that I will surely give you back, and thankfully rest debtor for the first, and still I'll remain thankful for the first one. Okay, now what Bassanio says, Bassanio here in this complete speech, he wants to tell Antonio to give him loan that he needs. Okay, that is, he has enough taken from him earlier also, but nothing is left with him. So he says that I want you to give money to me one more time, and this time I will be very much careful in spending this loan that you will give me, and I will try to return this, that I will, if I do not get success in finding the first loan back, then if I won't be able to clear the first loan back, at least I will clear you this second loan, I will return your money, and still I will remain thankful for the previous debt. Then Antonio says, you know me well, and herein spend but time to wind about my love with circumstance, and out of doubt you do me now more wrong in making question of my uttermost. Okay, we stop here. We have completed today explanation till line number 156. Okay, so go through this explanation, listen carefully, and fill your workbook as well. Goodbye.